Hello everybody, just want to do a check-in real quick. It's the Foose F-100 pickup. It's finally done. It's painted with a couple tropical glitz paints. Yeah, I got a mess here. There's a third bottle around here someplace. It's key lime, lemon lime, and avocado. And I played with different bases to get it different colors. It's Z-Force wheels. It's pretty stock. I didn't do anything else. It's pretty simple. And the flames are old Hot Wheels flame mask. I defused it, smoothed the tailgate in. And did some simple wiring in the hood. That's about the extent of it. Hope you guys like it. And we're going to clean up the bench. And we're going to start a huge project and order some parts and start something big. Hope you guys like it. Bye.